Our Sailrite SnapRite Twist Lock Die Kit is a uniquely designed system used to install twist lock fasteners quickly and easily using a standard rivet tool. The kit includes the Sailrite Drill Hole Cutter 1/8 inch, the Sailrite Cutting Block and Die Holder, which is a tool specifically designed for the use with the SnapRite system, as well as 100 SnapRite mandrels and a SnapRite button and twist lock die. Before installing a snap, simply mark where your fastener holes will be and cut them out with the included drill hole cutter. With this system, the entire installation of twist lock fasteners can be done without a workbench, which makes it ideal for fastener installation on a boat, at the marina, on the patio, or wherever you DIY. The SnapRite dies require the use of SnapRite buttons, which have a hole down the center to accommodate the mandrel. This kit works with any standard rivet tool, but can also pair well with our Sailrite SnapRite System Complete Kit as an added accessory. To make it easy to get yours, we've linked this kit down in the description below, along with some other videos using our SnapRite system. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of Sailrite's exclusive products.